In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new clinician in SimplePractice. We'll go step by step, explain what each choice means, and share a few tips so onboarding goes smoothly. Start in your SimplePractice account and open Settings. Go to Team, then Team Members. Click Add Team Member. Enter the basics: first name, last name, and an email address. The email must be unique and not already used in any SimplePractice account. Use an address the person checks regularly and proofread it, since the invitation will arrive there. Before you move on, quickly confirm the spelling of the name and the email to avoid sending an invite to the wrong person. Next, choose their role or roles. If they'll see clients, select Clinician and pick the appropriate access level. Higher access covers documentation, scheduling, and billing. Lower access limits what they can view. If they won't provide clinical services, choose non-clinician roles like scheduler, biller, or supervisor. You can combine roles if they support multiple functions, and you can always adjust roles later if responsibilities change. If you selected clinician, you'll be prompted for required details. Enter their NPI and specialty, along with any other required fields. Make sure the NPI matches the official registry, and choose the specialty that best reflects their practice so claims and documentation align correctly. Having this information handy up front makes the onboarding faster and helps avoid errors in billing or insurance submissions. When everything looks good, click Continue. You may see a note about plan or pricing impacts, since adding a clinician can affect your subscription or per-clinician charges. Review the information carefully so there are no billing surprises. If you're comfortable with it, click Send Invitation. SimplePractice then emails the person an invite. Ask them to open it, follow the link, and create their password. For security, this is completed by the new team member, not by an administrator. If they don't see the message, have them check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept and set their password, they're added to your practice with the access you selected. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Confirm the email is unique if the person also uses SimplePractice elsewhere, have their NPI ready, and choose the least privileged access level that still lets them do their job. That's the full process for adding a new clinician in SimplePractice. Follow along in your account, and you'll be ready to bring your next team member on board in just a few minutes.